The essence of Feng Shui is one fundamental concept: qi, energy. At the heart of Feng Shui lies a principle called Seungsaenggi. Seungsaenggi does not simply mean writing energy. It means recognizing vital energy, receiving it, and benefiting from its natural flow. It is not about forcing energy to move. It is not about creating energy where none exists. It is about aligning with energy that is already alive in the land. One of the most important Feng Shui classics begins with a clear statement. Burial is the act of Seungsaenggi. This means that burial, settlement, and site selection are all acts of receiving and making use of vital energy. Every practice in Feng Shui returns to one question: where does vital energy gather? And how can we live in harmony with it? In Feng Shui, finding an auspicious site, called a heol, is the process of locating where vital energy has condensed. A heol is not simply a physical location. It is a place where living energy is present, stable, and accessible. To choose such a place is to receive the support of vital energy over time. The purpose of Feng Shui is simple: to find land where vital energy is abundant, and to allow human life to be supported by it. Vital energy cannot be seen, because it is invisible. Feng Shui reads energy through form, terrain, and landscape. Land where energy gathers and settles is called an auspicious site. Qi may not be a scientifically measurable substance. It belongs more to lived experience than to modern measurement. Yet in Eastern thought, qi is the force behind creation and transformation. Nature is understood through the movement and change of energy. Differences among all beings are seen as differences in the quality of their energy. In Feng Shui, the most important concept is the dragon. The dragon does not refer to a mythical creature. It refers to the path through which earth energy flows. This is why, among the 4 essential elements of Feng Shui, dragon comes first. Without the movement of energy, there can be no place where energy gathers. The core of Feng Shui can be summarized in 2 words: vital energy. This energy includes the forces of the 5 elements that participate in the creation of all things. Because it flows beneath the surface of the land, it is often called earth energy. Earth energy can be beneficial or harmful. What Feng Shui seeks is land where beneficial energy can be received and sustained. There are other forms of energy. Heavenly energy appears as wind and sunlight. Human energy appears in atmosphere and presence. But the heart of Feng Shui is always earth energy, the energy that supports long-term life and settlement. In daily life, we constantly speak about energy. We speak of vitality, spirit, atmosphere, and courage. Although energy cannot be seen, it is deeply felt. A person's energy appears in expression, posture, and movement. When we sense negative energy, our body reacts naturally. The human body responds to subtle changes in energy. Feng Shui follows an important principle. Energy disperses by wind and gathers at water. Energy flows along mountain ridges. When this flowing energy meets water, it slows down, settles, and accumulates. Only then can vital energy be truly received and preserved. This understanding of energy is deeply reflected in Korean culture. Many school songs describe landscapes with mountains behind and water in front. These descriptions express a shared belief that learning and growth flourish where earth energy gathers and supports life. Feng Shui is not easy because energy cannot be seen. But invisibility does not mean absence. Energy always reveals itself through form. Harmful energy appears as sharp, unstable, and aggressive shapes. Beneficial energy appears as gentle, balanced, and embracing forms. By reading the shape of the land, we understand the nature of the energy within it. When earth energy condenses into a stable and beneficial form on the surface, it becomes a heol. Every true heol leaves visible signs. Recognizing these signs is the essence of Feng Shui practice. Where there is land, there is energy, but its quality and density vary. That is why choosing the right place matters. In 3 words, Seungsaenggi. In 2 words, vital energy. In 1 word, qi. To live well is to live in harmony with energy, health, stability, and abundance. Follow where energy gathers, to settle where vital energy can be received. This is the wisdom Feng Shui offers for life. Thank you for watching. I hope this journey into the essence of Feng Shui has helped you see the land in a deeper and more meaningful way.